Welcome to Llangorse. Well, then here we go. Already feeling smug about my pack size. These boys on the big bags. I'm on the 22.
So you need to do sit-ups? Yes.
How do we do this then? Jesus.
It's here. No, it's there. Oh, no, sorry, yeah, you are right. There's one there as well.
45 minutes in and we spot this sign, so gonna have a beer. So what are we, 2 miles in?
Yeah, it would have been.
2 miles, second pub already.
Warming up to the peak.
Yeah, it's not far to go in all fairness. Not far to go.
So yeah, the 75p per day applies. Do you want us to transfer? Yeah, I've got a message the other day saying you're down to your last £100 or
4 beers down and we've begun our ascent of Llangorse, Mynydd Llangorse, I believe the mountain's called. Mountain, hill, whatever it is. This is an amazing footpath. Steep though. Woo! There. That's where we've parked. We've walked all the way around the back. Up this path here.
He's off.
He's off. We best follow. Bruh. Nice. Penny fan. Look at that view. Ooh. It's nearly there. A few more meters to go. Whew. You going in as well?
No. It's a bit dirty. Yes.
We found the same campsite we did last time me and Mark were here. Absolutely perfectly flat. Views down the valleys, sheltered from the wind. Not a person in sight. Whew. Perfect.
I don't think we'd better this, to be fair.
Perfection.
Nice little stroll. I think, well, to be fair, I think we must have done 7 miles.
So I've gone completely Chinese for this camp. Just testing stuff. I'm hoping it's going to be alright. So I've gone for a nature hike, Cloud Up 1 I believe it's called. But I've also got a nature hike mattress, look at that. So I've ditched the £150 Thermarest, exchanged this £12 Lilo. We'll see what it's like. And also I think you've seen this before, the Aegis Max summer bag. There's almost no feathers in it. Polyester envelope. Oh dear. We'll see. Chunky, aren't they? Oh, 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 oh. Mm. Do you feel bad that Artie's a vegetarian? 10 out of 10 burger, Mark?
I don't know how I could improve it, so I've got to say 10.
10 out of 10. So it's about 7 o'clock now. We're going to call that the The end of day one, very successful. A couple of whiskies, bit of music, and then an early night for an early start. Good morning. 5:20, just to come for a little jog to get the blood flowing. Slept good. Woke up once to snoring, but I wasn't cold. The mattress was very comfortable. No complaints at all. Well, I'm calling that sunrise. Whoosh. Oh, amazing. I just love this. Out here on my own, absolute silence other than the odd bird. Watching the sunrise. 6:20. The sausage and egg. Sausage and egg roll. Fresh coffee. Might go for sausages as well. And bacon. Even breakfast, mate.
Coffee.
So that's that. Leave no trace as always. So there we go, that's it. Home straight. Phenomenal camp.
Yeah.
Had a great time.
Weather's been perfect.
Amazing. So that's it, thanks for watching. See you next time.